Keep your friends close, but your foot brake closer.
On my knees, thanking God that He got me through the pain. Danger, I don't fit in, I'm a stranger. Believer, I can take out all the evil. Empowerment to all my people. I can prove to you
What's up, everybody? It's your boy. Man, feels good to ride. I haven't rode in so long. I just did my first wheelie on the 1000 and I haven't done one in a while, and it was like, shit. It just fucking launches. I forgot about that. Sit downs aren't exactly my favorite thing to do because it's hard for me to figure out when I'm at balance point and when I'm not. So, but I mean, in the 1000, you got so much oomph, you know. So when you do a wheelie, it's like, damn, it doesn't have to be a balance point. You can still ride the thing for a while. So I hope everybody's doing good. I'm gonna try to do a bunch of riding. I finally got some days off. So tomorrow is definitely like all day ride day. I just worked all night long though, so I'm not really going to be riding all day today. So what if they're not at balance point? On this bike, it doesn't matter. The stunt bike, it matters. On this bike, I don't want to mess it up any worse than I have already by doing wheelies. And then on top of that, I know the garbage man wants a wheelie. Wheelies make people happy. Everybody likes wheelies, man. Oh man, I'm happy today. It's a good day. I think I'll try to find some people to ride with. I got a friend that lives over this way somewhere, so it's a perfect day to ride. Man, I wish I didn't have to go home and go to sleep for a little bit. I'm exhausted. That bike just jumped up in first gear. Holy shit. So guys, I'm pretty excited about the build. Like I said, I just have a few more things on the outside to take off, and then it'll be a rolling frame. So probably what I'm going to try to do is get it over to Speed Kings as a rolling frame, let them disassemble and powder coat everything, and then put it back together. That way all I have to do is slap an engine in and call it Dunskies. So I am ordering some new parts to kind of, you know, freshen the build up a little bit. I don't want to build the same bike that's just a different color. So I definitely want to work on, you know, getting it out and start to get it apart and find out what I'm even going to need for it. Because that's half the battle, is finding out the stuff that I need. So I don't know. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm ready to get it done. So until then though, I can ride the 1000, make vlogs, blah blah blah. So I want to try to do a healthy mix of both. Time to bust a mad wheelie. Hell yeah. Well guys, this is going to be the end of this ride. I'm going to go take a nap, get this thing cleaned up, because tomorrow's the big ride day. So until then, thanks everybody for sticking with me. Oh yeah, the runners. How about a little balance point too? Go ahead. Damn.
Danger, I don't fit in, I'm a stranger. Believer, I can take out all the evil. Empowerment to all my
fans in the streets. Red, licking up. Trip, licking up. Link up my let's link up. I done start